Hello, this is Lorena, and I'm back with another Duelist video. In this video, I would like to pull this up. Okay, so it says that 2 legendary duelists will appear in Duel World at once. So I'm going to the other worlds, and I'm going to see who's around. I don't really know if I care about these cards, but it's either I don't care about the card or I already have it. We're going to see. We're going to see who comes out in duels. Okay, Arc 5 World is first. It's always first. Alright, so who am I going to destroy today? I guess we're going to have to find out. Okay, for some reason I think Yuya is out here. Okay, I was wrong. Well, I'm going to switch over to Yuya because I'm going to have him duel Yuzu. I don't feel like dueling against myself, thanks. Alright, I'm auto-dueling. And I'm also going to auto-duel against Gonchan over there. I should really just learn to pronounce his name. That's actually from the dub. I'm kind of getting tired of adding Chan to the end of his name. I really think I may have overreacted when I decided to call him this. Whatever. Okay. Well, you're getting your ass kicked, Yuzu, because I am not the person you think I am. Although, being completely honest, you lose a lot, don't you? Well, to be honest, you know, that comment was kind of uncalled for. Okay, I am done dueling against Yuzu. I'm gonna switch back to Yuzu to duel Gong. I still have no idea if I'm pronouncing that right. I think his full name in the original is Gonzaka. Okay, yeah, I can see why they changed it. Seriously, I thought I could pronounce it, but I don't know, it's been years. So it appears I've forgotten how to pronounce it. Unfortunately for me. Yeah, I did understand their decision to change his name. I mean, considering it took me a while to even be able to pronounce it the first time. But I can pronounce it easier. I can learn to pronounce his name, and I can pronounce it better than I can with Dextra. And if you have no idea who Dextra is, well, she's from Zexal. Zexal. She is from Zexal. She is that person with, well, she doesn't do a lot, unfortunately. And now, if I was part of the writing staff, the female characters in all of the previous 6 shows would have been treated much better. The female characters, they deserved better. Although in Arc 5, pretty much everyone deserves better. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure that everyone in Arc 5 deserved better. And now, does that stop me from criticizing what we actually got? Well, no, but I think I can sort of get a taste of what the character is basically. I don't know if I'm explaining this right. Basically, I can get a feel for what kind of personality each character has, and probably the different ways that they were unable to fulfill their true potential. Yeah, I've lost against myself many times. I relate. Alright, well, I'm going to 5D's world now. I'm not going to stay here, by the way. I still have Dark Side Dimensions world, a DM world, and GX world. But I'm going to come back to I'm going to come back to 5D's world for the event. Okay. I'm going to duel him. I probably will. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Well, anyway, I wish he would give me the card that I want. But I don't think he's able to. In fact, are you even able to pull for it? Good question, good question. I'm probably just going to... What? Oh yeah, I went first. Yeah, that kind of ruins a lot. Okay, I would have judged the AI so hard if there was not a synchro summon. I kid you not, I was auto dueling in the event, and instead of synchro summoning, the AI decided to Z summon instead. And I'm just thinking, dude, that was a tuner. That was a tuner, and Stardust Dragon is still in my deck. Yeah, I don't know what was going on there. A lot, apparently. I really like how I criticize the AI, but I'm still pretty much just as bad. But there's a reason that I criticize it. Because it's... I mean, seriously. I criticize my own mistakes when I make my own mistakes. And now, it may not seem like I do, but it basically just... I messed up, so I lost. That kind of thing. Also, it's pretty easy to know when I've messed up if I lose immediately after making the mistake. What just happened? Yeah, it's happened. You guys might be familiar with that. I'm not entirely sure. Okay. I have more dice. I'm really going to need this dice. You know, I saw... Yeah. Not good for your... Wow, dude. Well, you do look pretty done over there, so, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. Okay, here's the other one. I don't see another one. Oh, wait. No. I know why you want to cover Team 5Ds and you're actually going to be interviewing Jack and no one else. All you're going to do is interview Jack and no one else. Although I don't know. Carly seems sort of devoted to her job. I kind of think that her job makes it a lot easier to get closer to Jack, which makes the second half of 5D so unfortunate. And by the way, there's a lot that happened behind the scenes. Dude, why didn't you synchro summon? Actually, maybe it's a good thing. Considering one of the disease materials. Okay, you lost. Okay, there's 5D's world out of the way. Alright, well... I'm going to duel myself if... I'm not changing character. Actually, no. No, I think I'm still Taya. I don't really feel like losing today. I say as I've already lost today. But, I mean, that's because I wasn't playing the game. Okay. Wait a minute. I already said I'm finished here, so I'm going to Dark Side Dimensions. Okay. I think this guy needs to, I don't like this guy at all. I'll have to do it, though. Go bug someone else. You're an idiot. I can bug whoever I want. Yes, that's right. I can bug anyone I want. So don't try to act like you're Don't try to act like you're hot stuff because you aren't. You're just total trash. At least he's level 10, so I don't have to suffer too much. I can only imagine the torture that will come when I decide to level up this guy. It's going to be a wreck. I'm going to hate it. It will be one of the most exhausting experiences ever. I will definitely hate it a lot. You know, when I do level him up, I might just do it off ranked duels. And I am going to hate that a lot. But if I level up through ranked duels, I mean, I hate this guy so much. I would actually be okay if I lost. Because that's just how much I hate this guy. And I think it would be more entertaining to lose. You know. Okay, Yuki's over here. I'm going to duel him. Okay, he's level 30. I don't know if my deck can handle this. I'm going to do it anyway, though. Alright, so, DM World is next. I think my active character is Yamayuki. I might be wrong. But if I am, then that's certainly a surprise. I'm pretty sure the last time I was there was Yamayuki. Okay. Well, Teo won. Interesting. Okay, next. 2,800, okay. That was apparently my dueling assessment score. Yes. I can imagine you wouldn't. Okay, well, okay, that's the two legendary duelists from Dark Side Dimensions world. And now it is time. It is time for... Okay, I'm in DM world. This is giving me quite the amount of dice. Okay, give me a second. Pegasus, your event is over. And you're over there. You're not psychic. You are not psychic, dude. You just think you're psychic. That doesn't mean you actually are. I don't actually think being psychic would be a good thing. But that's just me. That's just me. Also, there are cases where I actually wouldn't mind. You took my monster. You thief. You're going to pay for that. I'm not sure if I will pay with traps, but I definitely have plenty of, Dude, why are you using traps? I ask that as though he can't just use traps, even though he... Well, here's the thing. Esper Robot uses Jinzo. Jinzo negates the effects of traps. So if you have Jinzo in your deck, there's no reason to put a trap in your deck, because Jinzo would negate it. Okay. And Pegasus is apparently... He apparently wants a rematch. Alright, fine. Your ass was kicked, dude. Yugi kicked your... Yugi kicked your ass. Oh, God. Dude, why would you even... I am going to destroy you. Oh, your Millennium Eyes are going to do shit. Yes, I clicked duel. I mean, you never know what could happen. Plus, he gets on my nerves sometimes. Mainly because of all this Yugi boy and Kaiba boy shit. Like, dude, you're only 24. The age difference isn't that much. I thought he was like in his 30s, maybe 40s. But no, he's 24. Dude, Yugi is even older than you. Because he's the spirit of an ancient Egyptian pharaoh. So, whatever. I normal summon. You're level 10. You aren't going to do shit to me. But sure. Alright, it's my turn. I draw. Alright then. I will now begin doing damage to your life points, Pegasus. Your event is over and you decide to roam around anyway. Alright, so Jack's world is last. I mean, come on, why wouldn't it be last? I've already spent so much time over there. Okay, I attack your monster. Yes, that's right. I attack you directly. And you're dead. Yeah, you thought to random I was going to win you the duel, but it didn't. It only showed you your defeat. Yeah, it only showed you your defeat. Okay. Well, that defense isn't too bad. And that is, well, I've seen worse. Okay, and, Esper Robo is the... Oh, you lost... What do you mean it's incomprehensible? It happened once before. Okay, I'm going to Jack's world now. The video is starting to get a bit long. Okay, I'm roaming around. roaming around town. Okay, Bastion's out. I'm going to duel him. You said that last time, yeah, I kicked your ass. Seriously, I don't know why he thinks he has an anti-elemental hero strategy when it doesn't even work. Okay, to be honest, I do not trust the AI with that trap. The AI with that trap would misuse it. Okay, I attack. Yeah, I just have to make sure the AI doesn't touch that trap. Though I don't really think the trap even needs to be activated. The trap is in the deck for if I can get you well on the field. Okay, Bastion, what are you doing? No, I don't activate the effect of a card. My turn, okay. Well, just in case, you know, you never know. Proceed to the, yeah, I meant to change to the battle phase. Seriously, I meant it. Okay, the battle phase has ended. My turn is over. No. I never want to misuse this card again. I feel like I will, but I should never. I should know the effects of these cards by now. At least the ones that I've obtained. I know there are cards that I don't have from this archetype. Obviously, because I've seen them. Okay, I cannot summon that card, unfortunately. Bastion, you're going to make the video too long. Okay, I end my turn, and no. Seriously? I'm not even going to duel the next opponent until I end the video after this duel. This is ridiculous, Bastion. This is ridiculous. Great. I mean, it's not a problem if a duel lasts a while, but I mean, I haven't really been drawing any other monsters. I need some monsters, guys. Monsters I can summon, preferably. Oh, God. Okay, you set a card. Okay. I see. You set a card, that's pretty much what I expected. Seriously? I really do not... Alright. I end my turn again. I'm seriously going to, I'm going to explode. But I will respawn a second later. Yes, I'm going to explode, but I will respawn a second later. Although I'm not even sure what I mean by explode in the first place. Nothing is happening. Okay. Are you kidding me? This is, is the game trying to torture me or something? I swear this is pain. This is pain. I can't wrap up a video properly if I'm in the middle of a duel. That's not good for my sanity. I mean, sure, the series does it all the time, but I am not the series. So I really do not want to end my videos in the middle of duels. That doesn't make sense to me. This is ridiculous. Just saying. I do another one. I do another one. Where are my monsters? Where did they go? I want to know. Are they on vacation at the bottom of the deck? I mean, it sure seems like it. If you're wondering how the bottom of a deck is on vacation, well, I'm basically not going to deck out at this point in time. There are decks that would make me deck out, but this isn't one of them. Dude, this is madness. Okay, I do a monster at last. This duel can finally progress. I have waited so long for this. Okay. Now that the duel can finally progress, it is almost over. Alright, I end my turn. Alright. The hourglass is ticking. You know, on Discord, it says that one of the most used emoticons on Discord is an hourglass, and I'm like, how? Why? I don't know. It's weird. But it's also kind of hilarious. Because it's kind of like Discord is saying something to me about time. Also, I'm the only one that would interpret a most frequent emoji as that. But I really don't know where it came from. Like, when did I even use it? I don't know. That's the thing. I don't know. It's weird. Very weird. Okay, so I'm going to see who else is next, and then I'm going to go to the event. Your equations are going to... No. Your equations are going to the graveyard. I'm done. Okay, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I will see you guys in my next one.